On behalf of the entire faculty, it is my honor to welcome the chief guest, the Vice Chancellor of the University of Colombo, Senior Professor H.D. Karunaratne, Venerable Senior Professor Dhammajoti Thero, Dean of the Faculty of Arts, Senior Professor Lasantha Manawadu, Head of the Economics Department, Professor Chandana Aludge, esteemed past heads of the Economics Department, last but not least, the distinguished guests to the opening of the Sri Lanka Harmony Cafe. The agenda for the day will commence with the lighting of the oil lamp. I invite Senior Professor H.D. Karunaratne to start the proceedings of lighting the oil lamp.
Vice Chancellor of the University of Colombo, Senior Professor Chair H.D. Karunaratne, Dean of the Faculty of Arts, Senior Professor Chair Lasantha Manawadu, Head of the Department of Economics, Professor Chandana Aludge, Coordinator of the event, Professor Sera Singha, Chief Student Councillor, Professor Naga Singha, Heads of the departments, coordinators of the units, professors, lecturers, students. Good morning, everybody. Miss Jan Singer, Chinese name is Jan Singer. It is very difficult to pronounce. Be careful, your tongue gets some trouble. So better you say Miss Eva, English name Miss Eva. So today, very special day for the Faculty of Arts because we could start this kind of nice cafe at the Faculty of Arts. We everybody know that before this place was functioning as the Henry's Canteen. Henry's Canteen. Those days we often came here and have tea and we have discussion, we have exchange our views, ideas. Sometimes new lecturers we came to know in this place. So it was a very nice time we have had before. But after Henry's retirement, it was closed. I think several years this place was not functioning well. Suddenly, Miss Jan Singer, she is my student actually. So she is a very good Buddhist. 2 times per day she is doing meditation. Almost all the meditation centers in Sri Lanka she has been gone. She has been participating in the meditation classes. So many names she knows better than me. So she wanted to do something to the University of Colombo. So she came up with 3 proposals. One is to start a meditation center in the Colombo University. Second is to start a Silk Road Buddhist Center at the Department of Buddhist Studies. Third one is the Sri Lanka Canteen at the University of Colombo at the faculty. So we discussed with the Dean Lasantha Manawadu. He completely agreed with these 3 proposals, but number 1 is this, because we have no place to do that meditation center. But he said first start to these 2 projects. One is the cafe or canteen. Second is the Silk Road Buddhist Center. Then actually I suggested our department, Buddhist Studies, to do these 2 under our department. For some reason we could not do. Then the dean came up and he suggested to do in here, this Henry's place. So our Professor Chandana, head of the economic department, fully supported that idea. So actually this is very important to our staff members, because you know this building, all the day we were tired with teaching and marking students, papers and so many things. So when we come here and take time to drink a tea, we can have a very relaxed moment. So before we had, sometimes we are tired, we come here and we sat down here. Then we got a very good chance. Sometimes we have a chance to talk with our seniors. Sometimes we discuss our modern issues, maybe political, maybe other things. So this is a very good place for our staff members. I think this time she has idea to introduce the students also. If the students want to come and take some food and tea or whatever, they also can come to this place. So actually I want to say that she is doing this for not for the merit, not for the making profits. Even the day before yesterday I asked her, what is your purpose? You get nothing doing such a thing. You have already spent a lot of money, decoration and other things. She let the involved 4 students every day. She has to pay for the students. Yesterday she asked me to find a cooker, person for the cook at the kitchen. I asked how much salary. She said 50,000 to 60,000. She is ready to pay 1 month. So she is ready to spend a lot of money for this, but she get nothing. Only the merits. Only she get the merits. So actually we have to appreciate her contribution. She is a good Buddhist lady. Yes, she is a good Buddhist lady. She wants to do something in Sri Lanka. I think she has been studying in Sri Lanka more than 10 years. Diploma, MA, MPhil, PhD. So I'm very happy. If anything, any person has problem regarding this, please ask me. I'm the person to answer your question. Because maybe some rumors start working on Chinese government catch the Colombo University and so many rumors, but there is nothing such hidden idea. She is a very good, pious Buddhist lady. She wants to do something, especially the Buddhist meditation actually. So she has no any other purpose. She has no she has no the purpose of making merits. Profits actually by doing this canteen. So only thing is she wants to show her good friendship to the University of Colombo. So I appreciate and I transfer merit this kind of good activity. And also I thank to Vice Chancellor and other head of the department and the dean and other people who help for this program. So I expect you to come this place and use this place more and more. She is going to give us the low price, good quality teas, cafes and food, everything. It's not the high price, high quality but low price. After 1 week, she is going back to China, then again 2 months later coming back. The student will run this place. So 4 students get the jobs. Everything that she teach before she leave. So others should look after this place and help her to conduct this place. Thank you very much. May you have a good day today.
Very much, Ms. Eva, for your generous support without expecting anything in return. These are very rare things in today's world, without expecting that you work for some good cause. So we appreciate it very much. And the other important factor is that for the time being, 4 students got part-time occupation, so they earn pocket money by working in this place, this restaurant, and they will be trained by Ms. Eva's staff on servicing guests. I think it is a important training for them, and gradually I think more students will join as staff members, part-time staff. So then this is going to be managed by student and staff activity. So then I think in that way it is good. Everybody knows what is happening and going around. Thank you once again, Zeba and our Dean and the Vice Chancellor for your ready support always. And thank you very much, Professor Serasinghe, for undertaking to monitor this activity and for Reverend Dhammajoti for assisting us always with different types of projects which would benefit University of Colombo, the academic staff and the student community. Thank you and have fun at this.
谢谢今天校长，各位学生、女士们、先生们，早上好。我们非常荣幸邀请大家来参加我们的这个中式茶和餐厅的开业仪式。首先，我邀请我们尊敬的校长 Vice Chancellor HD Kamatulade and the Venerable Senior Professor Nana and the Dean 系主任，我们的文学院院长 Dean Sir。and 经济学系的系主任，还有经济学系和所有的尊敬的客人们，以及文学院所有的客人们，以及我们中国的老师们，还有所有的学生，还有其他的员工们，欢迎你们。然后下面我们开始我们的那个开业典礼流程，点灯。首先有请我们的校长。
Fine. I never get a telephone call to the arm bureau because not available. Yes. But this is something different this time. It's a different model. So with the assistance of Eva and with the guidance of head economics and Dhammajoti Thero. So this is a model, and this will function as a student-centered activity. So we have selected 4 students. We advertised this post, and we have selected 4 students. And Eva, they trained them, and now I think I can't recognize them, but anyway we have selected 4 girls, and now they will work here. They will be here, and they will serve us. And but we have labeled this as a coffee shop, coffee cafe. Tea harmony something, but other food also should be available. That is my understanding. But what I want to tell you here, our economics department is responsible for this now, and they have appointed a new coordinator. Otherwise, always Sir Watura ne, Sir Pingal ne, it will come to me. Now, Adutya is still, he has some area, and after this room, I think this new cafe, still our Serasinghe, he has, but maybe after 1 or 2 years, I think he is almost same to the Adutya. Right, with this, I think this will be open from tomorrow. Today, that's food should be free of charge, I believe. Yes, and also they are ready to provide some food for the students. Eva, and from tomorrow, this will be open for all the academics and the staff. And don't allow, because we opened this room a couple of months back, but due to the limited demand, I would say, I don't know whether the word is correct, Chandana, because demand and supply was not very happy, demand also was not very up to the, but finally, suddenly, this room was closed. And now, I think that is your duty. Please use this place. This was a very good place for the discussions earlier during Henry's time. But later, people decided to go to the canteen. And please come here. Kindly convert this place to the place where we had a couple of years back. Okay, with this, I want to thank Ms. Eva and Dhammajoti Hamduro, and also our head economics And a special thanks to the coordinator, Professor Serasi. Thank you, sir, for coming here. And I hope you will enjoy. Yes, not the biscuit. First, we need the string of us. Right. Thank you.
All heads of the department, senior professors and officers, academia, dear students, and Ms. Eva, and all the members of Chinese community. Thank you very much for organizing this wonderful event. We know that even when I was as a professor in the faculty, I have come to this St. Louis room. So this is a very good place, and we were worried why it was closed. And it is very important because when we are dealing with the foreign delegations and foreign people, the sanitation and other cleanliness is very, very important. When we consider our canteen and other places, the cleanliness we have to be very carefully discuss and arrange. I think in this regard, Venerable Dhamajyoti Thera, of course, contributed a lot. And let's see how we can see that the Faculty of Arts everyday functions almost. I was invited for at least once in a week. So last couple of weeks. So you are going very well, doing very well. I wish you all the very best. Whatever you need from my side, please let me know. We are doing our level best. Thank you very much.
And this also student, our student in my we teach them. And this one, this is my proposal. Western. Okay.